Hi, I'm attorney Steven McClelland. We are an estate planning, probate, and elder law firm in Arkansas. The purpose of this video is to help our estate planning clients know a little bit about what to expect at our first meeting. Hopefully, before our first meeting, you've received our questionnaire. That estate planning questionnaire covers 3 basic things that helps me know a little bit about you before we meet. In that questionnaire, you'll find information about your family, your children, your marital status, questions about your estate. Do you have a home, mineral rights, retirement accounts? And lastly, it'll ask, what are your main concerns? Are you trying to avoid probate? Are you concerned about charitable giving? Are you concerned about nursing home expenses? What we have found is that when we have that information before we meet, the time that we spend together is much more valuable. That is, we're talking about planning strategies and talking a little bit deeper than we would without that information. It helps us have what I call a working meeting as opposed to a consultation meeting. At our working meeting, we'll be discussing what happens to your estate when you die. We'll be discussing who you want to be in charge of carrying out your wishes. Second, we'll talk a little bit about what happens if there's a loss of capacity. My grandfather had a saying that you're once a man and twice a child. You see, it's that second time of being a child that we're concerned about, making sure your loved ones have the tools they need to help you with financial and healthcare decisions. The last thing we will discuss is the potential that you or your loved one may be in a nursing home. We know from a Genworth study in 2018 that 70% of individuals will exhaust their entire life savings in the first year of a nursing home. And for couples, that's 50%. By designing a plan that can preserve your assets, we can make sure that you can leave your estate to your children. After our planning meeting, we will put together a design and plan that carries out your wishes. That may include a last will and testament, powers of attorney, or a revocable trust. In our legal services agreement, it will tell you exactly the fee that we charge. There will be no hidden charges with our estate plan. We want to make sure that everything that you set out is taken care of. So we want to make sure that we have an execution meeting where you sign your documents in your office. But if you have a revocable trust, we schedule a funding meeting to make sure all of your assets are properly transferred into your trust. That may require deeds, change of beneficiary forms, and making sure that we contact your professionals to make sure that everything is set up the way that you intend. We do look forward to your estate planning meeting, and our very favorite time together is that first meeting when we talk through our strategies and talk about your families. We know that the value in that first meeting is the information and the education that we can give to our clients. So hopefully that this video has given you some things to think about before our working meeting together. If you have any questions or any accommodations that you need, please do not hesitate to contact us at our office. We look forward to seeing you.